Oh na 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 na.
Welcome back to my channel, everybody. MSC TV, round here we talk facts, no fiction. And look on your screen that we are dealing with Beenie Man performs for fans on an aeroplane. You see me? The doc himself.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up.
My viewers, it's not a really a long video, but I feel it important to bring it across to you guys because I have some context someone put towards it. You see me? And I'm gonna make you hear what they must say in the article. You see me? But before I do that, I just want to take 1 second and just press the like button and press the subscribe button same time, maybe 2 seconds. Thank you for the likes and the subscribes. Now that we got that out of the way, the article went on to say, the king of dancehall, well, some would say the self-proclaimed king, but anyway, the king of dancehall, Beenie Man, treated a crowd of adored fans to a performance of one of his biggest hits while on an aeroplane. In the video, which was seemingly taken while the plane was still boarding, the Girls Them Sugar DJ can be seen conducting his fans in true maestro fashion as they recite the words to his single Romie with him. The artist started the mini performance with his famous phrase, "Oh na 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 na," before breaking into the rest of the song's lyrics. It's all about Romie and his big fat sister Naomi. Beenie Man sang in the short clip with the passengers aboard the plane singing along with him. First thing first, me have to say, me did love that track there. When me a little boy I grew up. You see me? Little beanie boy. Me did love that song there. But guess what I get for realize say, I never me alone did love it. You see me? And big one thing. Them time the music did nice. Music never so serious like now. Either for 1 and 2 man I talk about like killing and them thing there, but them it there on the back bench and them thing there. Music did happy them time there. Only thing the DJ them a sing about the woman them and matey and them thing there, and you see me? The music never did so serious and kill and till it reach a level now man I talk about Wobie and them thing there. You see me? But anyway, get off of the negative part of the thing. In the plane, when you look on the people, them a be young people them, and they must sing the song same way. The song they are more than 20 years old. When time I really go check it up and look up it file and the whole thing. You see me? 1996 it released on him album named The Maestro. And until this day, I want him best known track. You see me? And even where they, them sample it in a fast 8 in a 2017. You see me? You see Beenie Man. You see Beenie Man, the man I do this for him is a little boy for him a kid. So it that may be kinda harsh for me compare him with some other artists. But them man are different, them man they are real entertainer. You see me? Them man they have a love for entertainment directly. You see me? Remember say them man they enter Taste the Talent show more than one time before him win it, you know. Them man they love it from him heart, them man have a passion for entertainment. Alright, my unpopular opinion now. These artists nowadays, them now make no music what for last for. You know them really like no longevity. Don't get me wrong, you know. Not every song we are gonna do have no and not every song I have the longevity, you know. You see me? And every artist have them type of craft and skill there. But you must can have 2 songs or 3 songs or you see me, the mind just make be a song for last 2 months, 3 months. Nobody overseas don't even know it certain way. You see me? And if them know it as a 2 months, them are listening it for 2. You see me? Don't get me wrong. I know when I go say the culture evolve, yes. The culture evolve, yes. But where it evolve too. You see me? Me think say evolution would make a species better. But from what me I see, it no a different thing me I see. You see me? We no better off. Worse off. Hip hop, alright. Hip hop fly gone left way. We and hip hop is on a level one at a time. Matter of fact, we that lead hip hop one at a time. You see me? We end up on a level, the man them fly gone left way. Afrobeat out of nowhere, skip round way. You see me? And don't be surprised if you see soca fly past we. Isn't my people? Anyway, I'm gonna make a little video now, isn't it? And I can tell more what I think about it. As I say, it's not a long video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe too. Alright?
Oh, na, 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 na. It's all about love. This part is the night. And it's
Tell me what you think in the comments, my people, and thanks for listening. And that is it from us here at MSC TV. Around here we talk facts, no fiction.